Welcome to 360 Cardio's weight loss program. Be sure to watch the entire video before completing any of the steps listed below. 360 Cardio is based on the principle of working out 3 days a week for 60 minutes each workout, which will guarantee you results for a lifetime. One of the keys to success of the 360 Cardio program is exercising based on your rate of perceived exertion. If you would take the time to click on the link and download your rate of perceived exertion chart, you can read about each of the zones, but more importantly, begin to understand what it's going to feel like to exercise in each of the zones. One of the keys is going to be for you to stay in zones 4, 5, and 6. And you're going to know you're in each zone based on your breathing during the exercise. Zone 4 is going to be comfortable, but you're going to recognize yourself breathing harder. Zone 5 is getting to be somewhat difficult, and you're taking breaths in between the words as you're talking. And finally, Zone 6 is going to be difficult and starting to get uncomfortable for you. Start to get familiar with what each of these zones feels like, and that will guarantee that you're getting an effective, efficient workout where you're utilizing fats and guaranteeing you're reaching your weight loss goals. This is about training smarter, not harder. Now on to understanding the 360 cardio workouts. At first glance, it might seem a little complicated, but with some simple explanation, these workouts are going to make perfect sense for you and guarantee that you lose the weight you've been struggling to lose in no time. I first want to direct your attention to the stage column highlighted in yellow. The 360 cardio workouts are broken into various stages. Every workout will begin with a warm-up and a cool-down. In addition, we use recovery stages in between cardio burn and cardio blast stages so we can maximize the efforts during the more intense stages of the workout. One of the keys to 360 cardio is the cardio burn stage, where we are using higher inclines or lower RPMs to strengthen the legs and create a muscular endurance where we feel that burning sensation during the stage of the workout. Cardio blast stages are also utilized during 360 cardio workouts. A cardio blast stage utilizes lower inclines and higher RPMs to essentially blast the legs at higher speeds. We do this in order to increase our fitness level, but again, the key is always to burn fat that will guarantee us weight loss and the results that we truly want. The next two columns that we will look at are the incline and the RPM columns highlighted in yellow. The incline is for 360 cardio workouts done on the treadmill. In the column you will see percentages ranging from 2% to 6%. Please note on most treadmills this would look like 2.0 to 6.0 as you're changing the incline levels. The RPM is going to refer to the revolutions per minute that you would see when you are completing a 360 cardio workout on a bike. Also, if you happen to be doing a 360 cardio workout on an elliptical machine, you would not pay attention to the incline or the RPM. You would adjust resistance or cross ramp or whatever is specific to your elliptical machine. More importantly, you'll be paying attention to the RPE, which we will talk about next. Now I'd like to discuss the RPE, that is the rate of perceived exertion columns with you highlighted in yellow. Arguably, this is the most important part of the workout for you. Earlier we discussed looking at your RPE chart, the different zones that we would be using in the 360 cardio workouts. Again, during the warm-up, recovery, and cool-downs, we'll be in the lower zones 2 and 3, but I do want to draw your attention to the cardio burn and blast stages where you'll be operating in zones 4, 5, and 6. Again, these are going to be the zones where you're going to want to monitor your breathing into relation to how your talking is going, as well as how difficult you feel the workouts are. Again, this is imperative for you to get better and better at monitoring your rate of perceived exertion so that you can guarantee that you're burning fats as opposed to sugars during your workouts. This is extremely important for you to get fitter faster, as well as burning the fat so you can lose the weight and the pounds that you so desire. Don't think that going harder is going to benefit you more. Please trust in the process and trust in the zone training of the RPE scale. A lot of research and time has gone into this, so I promise you that you can guarantee results by following the zones outlined during the workout. The last two columns that we'll be discussing refer to the time of the workout. The first column is the segment time, and will allow you to understand how long you should be at each segment during the workout. The last column is total time, and this will correspond to the timing on your treadmill and or bike during the course of your workout. You'll know it's time to switch segments as the timer will match up with the time listed on the total time of the workout. Finally, we'll talk about the last row highlighted in yellow. This is the cardio fusion segment, which is optional but very important for increasing your fat burning potential. As was mentioned earlier, 360 cardio is based on the principle of training 3 days per week for 60 minutes for each workout. Now, although this segment is optional, it's highly encouraged that you complete the additional 30 minutes for your workout. Again, this is going to increase your fat burning potential, it's going to increase your fitness, and it's going to guarantee you get your weight loss goals quicker than ever. Alright, you're now ready to start your 360 cardio program. All you need to do is click on the link and download your 360 cardio workouts. Again, 360 cardio is based on the concept of working out 3 times per week for 60 minutes each workout. This will guarantee you results for a lifetime, so I can't reiterate enough that consistency is going to be the key to your success. Do everything you can to complete the optional 30 minutes and complete 60 minutes worth of fat burning workouts that will guarantee your weight loss. With that said, let's start losing weight today.